Hello, and this is Jan Hermstad at Buyavette with this beautiful 1993 convertible. This car is like new, even has a hardtop for it. Beautiful, just arriving in our inventory. Hasn't even been through the shop yet, so I'm a little prematurely of doing a video, but I just wanted to get a chance to show it. Gorgeous car, absolutely flawless. So it's a ruby red interior with a ruby red exterior, so it's the Anniversary Convertible edition, 1993. Got a clean Carfax and every option factory I had to offer. Look how clean that is. Got the nice luggage rack in the back, and of course the hardtop is removable, and the convertible top, I haven't seen it. Here you can see the seats, no wear. Just like it's supposed to be. Everything is cool. Here's a little look at the engine compartment. Beautiful car. I hope someone will respond to me. My name is Jan Hermstad, and my cell phone number is 404-993-5964. And thank you for looking.